This is Simcenter Studio, a web-based application for generative engineering of system architectures. We're going to look at current product development process flaws, an introduction to generative engineering, and a high-level overview of the Simcenter Studio environment. A typical product development process has flaws. Early decisions often rely on gut feel and past experience. This leads to design fixation and can limit the ability to find better solutions. Parameters are set in stone and thrown over the wall to the next siloed team. As more key decisions are made, the design fixation problem only grows. Once an architecture is set, simulation can be done to optimize the design, but by this time, it's too late. We'll never know if there was a better architecture out there somewhere. The generative engineering approach of Simcenter Studio can solve these challenges. A team of experts from multiple disciplines works together. They incorporate broad knowledge from multiple areas, including simulation, to define a system model. Dozens to hundreds of architectures are then generated from that one system model. Each architecture is then simulated, post-processed, and automatically ranked. The whole team sees every step in the process and can offer continuous input, avoiding fixation. The key enabler is the computational notebook inside of Simcenter Studio, containing narrative text and math, models as code, and model block diagrams. Simulation as code, and results visualization. These are combined in one document for all to see and use. You're looking at a live notebook now. Rich text and math is rendered with Markdown, and a system model is defined in code or automatically imported from AIMSIM. Help is always close by with live documentation that changes with context. The model code is run, and the system is then displayed as a block diagram. Relationships, connectivity, data, and more are all displayed on the diagram. Once defined, the model can be used to generate multiple architectures. Each architecture is displayed and can be analyzed. Simulation can be performed using built-in tools, your own algorithms, or with Simcenter AIMSIM. Each system block can be tied to an AIMSIM component or group of components. Studio can then generate functional AIMSIM models out of each architecture automatically, run multiple AIMSIM simulations in parallel, and send the results back to Studio for post-processing. Those results can then be plotted however you'd like. With so many architectures, how do you find the best design? A built-in app, Studio Discover, lets you plot and select which attributes are important. Discover then uses machine learning to rank and promote more designs that fit your requirements, ensuring you've seen every possibility and can now choose the best.